I'm going to do a quick video on how to take out these injectors on our loading shovel bell. Got one of these here. It's a so you can take out the injector fuel line. It's got a little socket there. It's cut out so it can go round. The first ones you can get out, which are pretty easy. You can do it with a spanner, but then you're coming closer to the exhaust manifold. You can't get it in there, so this sits over. It's a bit like one of those Lambert sensors on a car. So what you do is you put this in over there, and it has to go in and leave enough so when you unturn it, see that? I don't know if it's picking it up. When you unturn it, you've got enough room for it to turn around. What I had to do was, we've got the little adjustable wrench, goes in there. I had to put a, on mine, when I was doing this, I had to put an extender on to the half inch because it was so tight, I couldn't budge it. And then when you pull it, God, there you go. See, and it will just move to a certain amount, and then you have to take it off and put it on again. You see that how it goes round and hits the thing, hits the, see that? And then you get it off. Loosen it like this. This is the same one where we changed the pump on it. Now we're taking the injectors out because I reckon one of them stuck open and it's letting a bit of, it won't let the pressure build up. So I got two out. Got to get the rest out. Got to take that, unscrew it. That's the thing, you got our hands. There you go, there it is, that's off. What I do is I just remove this, and then you got to get this out. That'll have to come out because that sits inside the injector. I can't show you on my hands, but that actually sits inside the injector and it has to come out of the injector. So I spray a bit of WD-40 around there, get some pliers in it, pull it out. Let's do that now. Right, what I had to do is, see these stub-nose pliers, I had to grind them down to make them a little bit more pointy. And you get your screwdriver. This bit here, you get in the side of there and you've got to work round that all the way round, all the way round. I keep spraying it with WD-40. I tell you what, I don't know where I'd be without a bit of the old WD. Get the old WD in it. Get your homemade pliers. Let's see if I can zoom in here. Get your homemade pliers in there, and you just got to keep the pressure on it and pulling it. I tell you what, it takes a long time. I loosen this one off and it comes out, and that's it. That there fits into the injector. It's got a little ball bearing in it. That bit there slides into the injector, and you can't pull the injector out because see it sits on that little bit, so that has to come out. There's a little number on it. Now what we're going to do, there's the top of the injector. I've taken the top of the valve cover off. Going to undo these two nuts here to remove the electrical solenoid on it. Yeah, just want to show you that. See that little ring there? That is what holds it in. So you've got to squirt some WD-40 around there to loosen it up so you can slide it out. Okay. Just screw them off. Like a little bit tight. 6mm nut. Up there, look. Take them off. They're all different colours. Take them off there to the solenoid. Little plastic cover on it. I just removed that plastic cover so it doesn't break. Then, yeah, that's it. That's it. Use the force, feel it, unscrew it, like that. Little hexy bolt like that. That's what holds the injector in place. Oh, I can't get it. There it is. See, you just see the hole where that came from. There and there. Now these, you should just be able to wiggle them out. Let's have a look. What I do is, whoops, in the puddle. What I do is each bolt where they came from and all the injector stuff, keep it all together so you know. Like that, look, show you. So you do it, I do it in order, and then I tape them all together, so all that is part of that injector. All that's going to be part of that injector. Give that a wiggle, see what we got. Now I haven't got an injector puller, so what I do is I get some mole grips, just put them on at an angle round the bottom there and tap it down till it pops up, and there is a dirty old injector. See? Again, that's why it won't come out, because these O-rings here, look. As long as you clamp it up here, nowhere near the solenoid, because that'll break, you can usually pull that out. Let's do another one. Alright, so this is what I do. Come around the other side on this one. Clamp the old mold grips around there at an angle and just tap it down. I have to put the phone down. Yeah, that's it. I had to come the other side of it. I had to come this way. Oh boy. There it is there. And you've got to be careful you don't break this plastic thing. The next one. Don't look too good, do they? Here's the old part number on it. See that rod? That's where that rod went in there, you see? And that's why if you don't take that rod out, you won't be able to get that out, slide it out. Yeah, what I would do is when I remove the fuel line, so I can get to it, I put it back so we don't get all confused and what one goes where and all that. 'Cause I mean, you can work it out, but you've just been our ages. There's no point. Right then, let's get this one. They get trickier and trickier. So you put this in. There it is again. 22 mil, if you're wondering. Goes over there. And we put it round. And don't forget to leave you enough room what I'm going to do with this one, because they're getting tighter and tighter, I'm going to have to use the old impact gun to bash it off. Not a lot of people won't be happy with that, but we're gonna. Let's have a look. That's what I need. Leave that there. Get the old extension on us. I reckon I'm going to need another one. Too small. I need a bigger one. Here we go. Big old boy. Let's see if we can see it when it cracks. See that? See it go then? That's it, because it's on the metal now. See? So you won't get it past that pipe. Now you've got to rejig it all. But these ones are really tight. Might nick that up the little bit too much. No. Yeah, put the phone down. It's one of them ones where I got to rejig it. You got to keep rejigging it. Right down there to get it out. I tell you, if you see what I mean, what happens is you only can turn it until the pipes hit the until the socket goes around and hits the pipe. See? I don't know if you can see that. Like that. See it's hitting the pipe? And you've got to take it off. Reseat it. Hang on. This is the thing. It takes twice as long to do anything, but you do a video and you think it'll help someone. There, then it'll hit it again. You got to take it off. You got to keep resetting it like that. These ones are really tough. Keep resetting it, take it out, turn it round. I've got no specialist tools. I just want to make sure tell you guys I'm not a fitter. This is our own loading shovel on a bell, and you know. And the injectors on them are 650 quid each. Plus you'd have to pay a fitter to come out and take them out. So we thought, you know, let's take them out, send them off, see if we can get them clean, tested, reconditioned. I've got no specialist tools. Well, I say specialist tool, this is most probably the only thing I've got is this socket. Now, you don't even need this socket if time's on your side. I had to, mind you, I had to wait a week for this. I got this off, no one had it. I've got two of these, I've got two of them, two different sizes. Got them off eBay. No one had them. Got it off eBay. You can do it without this tool. What it means is, you got to take the whole exhaust manifold off, and I looked at it, and the thing is with exhaust manifolds, when you start getting involved with them, the studs start snapping, and I thought, you know what, I prefer to wait a week for the tool and try it before I have to start drilling studs out and replacing them. Yeah, this is how you get cramp on your hand, man. I'm telling you. That's it. And then that one there. Just loosen it off. It's got a little join there, look. See? I'm gonna have to take that off. That's a 10mm. 10mm, just take that clamp off. Right. Alright. I'm on the last one now. That one up there, the hardest one, tucked in there, see? Now I'm gonna have to remove this oil return pipe or whatever it is. Now I'll tell you what, I've already cracked it, but loose. These are rock hard, mate, to get off. You can get two spanners on it, one underneath it and the one on the top. Someone's tried holding the middle with a pair of snips before and bent the pipe, if you can see. I've had this off when I had to fit the pump, which is there. So this is a Bell loading shovel, John Deere engine. Most probably same engine. I think it's a PowerTech engine. That's it. That goes up to the turbo. Could get our little spanner in there. Look. Okay, let's do it. Right then, we got the last one off. The last one in there was an up there absolute nightmare. I had to take the water pipe off, strip all that down. I had to undo the air conditioning pump. I didn't want to take it off because the belt looks a nightmare. It's all down there. But yeah, I've got all the injectors off now. So this one, like I was saying, this little bit here fits in there, see, like that. There's the injector. No idea if they're bad or good. These ones don't look too bad. The other two I took out, look, the ends are all rusted. So we'll send these off, get tested. Send these off and get tested, and then we'll have to get them back in there. There shield is. Already stripped all that down. And it's a Bell high lift L. I'll show you. One of them bad boys. 2017. You wouldn't have thought that. Anyway, I hope this video's helped somebody out. If you need to know anything, drop us a thing in the comments and I'll get those tested. I'll keep you updated. I'll do a video, put them back in. Cheers.